In this lesson, we're going to look at the deals that you can create on your EzyCourse site. Now, you'll find deals on your EzyCourse dashboard under Deals and Sales. And in this lesson, we're going to focus in three areas: order bumps, bonus items, and coupons. Now, order bumps are where you can sell another product alongside a product. So, for example, if I am buying a course from your site, just at the moment that I'm about to check out, I might be offered an additional course that I can buy, maybe at a deal sort of rate, at the same time as buying the course I was going to buy. And we call those order bumps. So when you get through to a checkout, you offer additional things for your user to buy. Now, there are also bonus items. And bonus items tend to be things that you give away with the purchase of a product. So, for example, buy this course today and get these downloadable templates free. Or download this course today and get a 30-minute appointment with me free. That type of thing. And finally, there are coupons. Now, coupons are codes that you can give to people to get them a discount on your products. Now, this is great if you want to run a promotion over a particular weekend or over a period. You could have a coupon code for that period, just for that special promotion. Or you could have a coupon code for a particular group of people. So let's say that you choose to discount your products for people that are a member of a particular group, then you can give that group a discount code just for them to use. So let's have a look at how we can set these up on the EzyCourse platform, and let's have a look at what they look like from a user perspective. So on our EzyCourse dashboard, we're going to go into order bumps, and I can add an upsell or an order bump using this button, or I can edit one of the existing ones. Now let's have a look at this upsell that's already been created. You can see this is for when people purchase the product, which is a course called Mastering Collaboration. And the secondary product that we're going to offer is this one here called Graphics Community. Now, we're offering them the chance to buy Graphics Community at a one-time price, but we could make it a subscription. Now, we've given it a title, and this appears in the shopping cart. And then we can put a description with it as well. And just at the bottom, we can choose the price and click on update or save if we're creating a new one. And that is that ready to go. Bonus items, very similar. I'm going to edit this existing one here. And you can see this one also applies to the course Mastering Collaboration. And when people buy this course, we include this secondary product at no additional cost. So buy this and get this one free. And finally, with our coupon codes, we can add a new code and we can give this a name for us to refer to. We can choose the code that we want people to enter on the checkout. We can choose whether the discount is a percentage or a fixed amount off the price. We can choose for a subscription product, whether we give that discount once, or whether it's forever, or whether it just repeats for a few months. We can also choose the quantity of that coupon code that's available, so we can give this coupon code to just the first 10 people that use it. We can also set an expiry date for a coupon code as well. Now let's have a look at how this looks from a user perspective. So back on our site, I'm on the All Products page. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the course that we've applied the offers to. Now you can see at the top there's this coupon code box. That's where I could type in the coupon code and click apply, and you can see this is a 50% discount code that's reduced the price of this by 50%. Now you can also see that the free bonus item has been added here. And you can also see that I'm being given the chance to add this upsell bump product as well. And I can click the add button to add that to my order and then check out. So there's lots of different deals that you can create on your EzyCourse platform. You can create those bump offers, those upsells, those discount coupons, and those bonus items to really encourage people to spend money and buy your products.